Hi children, with the previous video we have completed the first chapter. So here in this video I would like to recall the concepts which we learned after the first review. So here this is review 2. In that the first concept what we learned was building numbers. Building numbers, how to do without repetition I have already told. This is with repetition. Here I have 7 digits. Using these 7 digits, I need to form an 8-digit greatest number and smallest number. So here, as I said, I need to repeat one of the digit. To get the greatest number, I need to repeat the greater digit. This already we have discussed. So out of these digits, which is my greater digit? My greater digit is 9. Alright? So I must repeat 9 twice. And I must write it in the greater places. The greater places crore and 10 lakh. First you have to mark all the places in the 8-digit number. So here I have done that. Now I am going to repeat the digit 9. So in the crores place I have 9 and 10 lakhs place also I have 9. Which is the next greatest digit? It's 7. So write 7. Then next it is 6. Then comes 5. Then it is 4. Then 3. And 0. So I have got the greatest number 9 crore 97 lakh 65,430. Okay. Now how to get the smallest number? To get the smallest number I need to repeat my smallest digit. Which is the smallest digit? 0. So I already told 0 we cannot start with the beginning. Right. So we go for the next smallest. Which is the next smallest? 3. So I have to write 3 in the greater place. And should be the next digit. Yes, I should take 0. I cannot repeat 3 twice. I can add now 0. Okay. So I must repeat 0. Right. In the 10 lakhs place and lakhs place. Because 0 I have to repeat it. Then what comes next? It's 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. And then 9. So I got my smallest number. So 3 crore. Lakhs, 10 lakhs place, lakhs period I don't have anything. So 45,679 is my smallest number. Next topic is about rounding numbers. So here I have a number 2852. This number I need to round off to nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Let us see first how to round off to nearest 10. So in nearest 10 we said, since I am going to round off to the nearest 10, I must see the digit in the ones place, right? So what is the digit in the ones place? 2. This 2 I must compare with 5. So when I compare with 5, 2 is smaller than 5. Okay. And 2852 comes between 2850 and 2860. Now to which 10 will you multiply? Will you round? You will round off to the first, that is 2850. Okay. Now let us see how to round off to the 100. Here it comes between 2800 and 2900. So since I am going to round off to 100, I must see the tens place, right? This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So I am going to round off to 100. So I must check the tens place digit. Tens place what I have? 5. When I compare this 5 with 5, what do I get? 5 is equal to 5. So when 5 is equal to 5, I said we have to round off to the second multiple of 100. That is 2900. Okay. Then next. The same number we have to round off to 1000. That is, this number lies between 2000 and 3000. We found the multiples of 1000. Now, here again, mark the place values. When you mark the place values, since I am going to round off to the nearest 1000, I must see the hundreds digit. Hundreds place what do I have? 8. 8 I must compare with 5. So when I compare 8 with 5, 8 is greater than 5. So since 8 is greater than 5, this number will be rounded off to the 3000. That is the greater multiple of 1000, in which the number lies. So next our topic was Roman numbers. Roman numbers, these are the Hindu Arabic numbers and these are the Roman numbers for this. For 1 we write I, for 5 V, 10X, 50L, 100C, 500D and 1000M. Then next, there are few rules in Roman numerals what we learned. The first rule was putting a letter after one of the bigger value means you are adding it. So if you want to add any smaller value to any bigger value, you have to write that just after that bigger value. Okay. Then the second rule was putting a letter before one of the bigger value means you are subtracting it. If you want to subtract, then you have to put it just before that bigger value. Then we learned a letter can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times. In Roman numerals, we can only repeat the numbers up to 3 times or letters only 3 times. Then V and L are never subtracted. Then I can be subtracted only from V and X. Then X can be subtracted from L and C. Next is V and L are never repeated. So these were the few rules we learned in Roman numbers or numerals. Now let us just recall how to form Roman numeral for the given Hindu Arabic number. Here my number is 92. So 92 I can split and write as 90 plus 2. For 90 already we know the Roman numeral is XC. So XC plus II, that is 2. So that becomes XCII. So this is the Roman numeral for 92. Then here I have one more example, 85. 85 I have to first split and write 80 plus 5. Then 80 is LXXX, this is 80 plus 5V. Now add na, just write after that. So LXXXV, this is the Roman numeral for 85. So these were the concepts we learned. Here is a test for you. This is your second test for the chapter 1. Your duration is 15 minutes and mark is 10. The first question is round to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. The same number you have to round to 10, 100 and 1000. Then you have to make the greatest and smallest 8-digit number using the given digits. You have to repeat as well as use all the digits. Then here is you have to write the Roman numeral for the given Hindu Arabic numbers. So I hope you all will do it. Be serious. Do your test well. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye children.